the premises of Nairobi Convention Center. The Judiciary Building. Statue of Mr. Kenyatta, the liberator and first president of Kenya. The sky is overcast with clouds and it is drizzling. So I am standing under the shade of a tree. This is the premises of Convention Center of Nairobi. Beautiful building, beautiful premises. Just in front of the building of the City Hall Assembly. This is City Hall Assembly. And on this side is perhaps the most beautiful building of Nairobi, which contains the Convention Center. I am standing just below this building, which is the symbol of Nairobi so far. This is the Convention Center building. Huge building. This one. It is so difficult to describe the beauty of the place. Place for flags of different countries of the world. I am standing in the premises of Nairobi Convention Center on 8th November 2016. It is drizzling. The sky is overcast with clouds. I am standing just in front of the statue of Kenyatta, the first president of the liberator and first president of Kenya.